Morning, my dear students. How are you? 7 months passed away. Corona changed everything. People suffered a lot. But we must march forward to reach our goals. Many students are worrying about the exams now. Preparation is not that much good. How to prepare for boards as well as JEE mains, which is going to be held in January. I want to give you a good news. This year, JEE Mains January exam will be postponed by at least 1 month. So, my dear students, I am here to help you to prepare well for boards and IIT JEE. If you see the statistics of 2020, 9,41,000 students appeared for 16,053 IIT seats and 21,133 NIT seats. That means more than 9 lakh students are not successful. Moreover, this year the competition will be more. Students who completed their 2 chances will get one more chance due to Corona. So, the number of students may be more than 10 lakhs, but the real competition is among less than 1 lakh students. And if you prepare in a systematic manner, you can achieve your target easily. So, here, what you should do first? You must set your goal. A person without a goal is a person without a soul. If you want to achieve something in life, you must have a goal. For example, if you want to go somewhere, you will call for Ola cab. It immediately asks your destination. If you don't feed your destination, you can't go anywhere. It will reject you. So, my dear students, set your goal. Your goal must be smart. Smart means not looking nice. Here, smart means S-M-A-R-T, smart. S means specific. You must have a specific goal. That means whether you want to get a seat in NIT, whether you want to get a seat in IIT, it should be specific for you. One person prayed God. God satisfied with his prayers and asked, "What do you want?" He said that I should drive a big vehicle. God said, "Okay." He ended up as a bus driver. Actually, his intention was he wanted to own a big car. But as there is no clarity in his goal, he was just ended up as a bus driver. So your goal must be specific. Then, M. M stands for measurable. Break your goal into small goals. It will become easy for you to achieve these small goals. And moreover, you can check whether your efforts are sufficient to achieve your bigger goal or not. And when you achieve the small goals, it will give motivation for you to achieve big. Then A. A stands for achievable. You should think about your abilities and fix the goal. If you think that I should earn 100 crores in one day, is it possible? So, my dear students, your goal must be achievable goal. R. R stands for realistic. You must be practical when you are setting your goal. If you think, I want to become an America president, or I should have property like that of Bill Gates, will it happen? Be realistic. Then, last but not the least, time. Your goal must be time bound. Then only you will be able to achieve your goal, or else you will be nowhere. So, my dear student, set a smart goal. And the second point is, for achieving your goal, you should have prepare a specific timetable. Here, timetable means it must cover everything, every aspect. Here, when you are setting your timetable, you should compare the syllabus of class 12 and JEE mains first. Then, you should think about class 11 also. You should not neglect class 11. Then how to cover this class 11 and 12 and JEE? If you see, many topics in class 12 are linked to class 11. So whenever you are dealing with the class 12 topic, you read the basics in the class 11. So if you cover the syllabus like that, then it will become easy for you. But first, analyze your preparation levels. If you think your preparation is very bad, if you covered less than 25% till now, then don't go for JEE. Go for class 12 boards only. Here, don't be overconfident as well as don't feel distressed. Plan according to your preparation and set a timetable. Then, third point is implementation strategy. While preparing the timetable, you have to divide your topics according to the subject into three categories: strong, not so strong, weak. In preparation, you must start with weak topic first. Then you will be able to cover all the topics. If you are preparing only strong topics, that Lakina will remain forever. Here, in the preparation, you must give a lot of importance to NCERT. You must read thoroughly NCERT and then you can go for Cengage publications or Urido or HCVama, like that. But NCERT is very important. Then, practice. Virat Kohli or Messi or Ronaldo, they are legends, but they also cannot do well if practice is less. You must practice thoroughly. After having the conceptual clarity, you should go for the MCQs and mock tests. While preparing itself, you should prepare the memory cards also. That means which formula or theorems you should revise repeatedly. MCQs and mock tests should be time bound. You must answer those in prescribed time. Then you must analyze your mistakes and Divide the mistakes into three categories. First category, concept wise wrong mistakes. Second category, formula wrong mistakes. And the third category is the silly mistakes. You should enter all your mistakes into the error book, and you should solve additional problems also to rectify your mistakes. Then only you will be able to cover completely. Here you should remember that 90% of questions in JEE are repetitive. If you rectify your mistakes, easily you can score very well. Then, sacrifices. My dear students, in these 7 months, you might have spent a lot of time on mobile and friends. If you want to achieve your goal, you should keep these two away. Then, time management. Here, you must remember that all the subjects are equal. You may give extra time for your weak topic, but you have to cover all the three subjects. Don't give much priority to only one subject. And moreover, some students think that in these 3 months I can't do anything, I will just go for the next attempt. Don't think like that. You have 3 months time, minimum 3 months time. You can do wonders in this 3 months time if you prepare systematically. At the same time, you should not be overconfident. You should utilize each and every minute. Finally, the most important thing what you should have is the self-belief. You must believe that I can, I will achieve. Here, I want to give one example. Arunima Sinha. She was national volleyball player. She was traveling on a train to attend an interview. At that time, some thieves entered into her coach and they tried to rob her. When she resisted, she thrown away out of the train. She fell on the other track. Train coming from opposite direction went over her. She suffered multiple fractures and one leg was removed. Normally people think that that's the end of life. But she thought differently. With the help of artificial leg, she conquered Mount Everest. Not only that, she scaled all top peaks in all continents.
आज मेरी लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा सपना पूरा हुआ। मैं टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड पे हूँ। सबको ये मोटिवेशन देना चाहती हूँ कि हर आदमी अगर अपने लक्ष्य को बनाए तो वो कभी नहीं हार माने।
So my dear students, be determined, be a winner.